Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. For today's video, we're going to be doing another PR box unboxing. You guys absolutely loved my Pink Religion PR box unboxing, so I thought why not make it a regular thing here on this channel. In today's video, we're going to be unboxing the new Artistry singles, so we got a bunch of beautiful new shades, as well as the magnetic palette. The smaller magnetic palette is the one we got in the mystery box, and the bigger one, which is the one I'm really looking forward to, has just launched today. So yes, guys, what we're going to be doing is a unboxing of these beautiful items. Now, I thought it would be really fun for me to do a brand new giveaway here on this channel. I always do one. Now, I did one a couple weeks back, so I thought I would give it a little break. So for this giveaway, we're going to be keeping it really small and simple. It's going to come to an end pretty fast. The winner of this giveaway will receive the LED rechargeable magnetic makeup mirror, one pink one, all for yourself. So definitely, guys, stay tuned to the very end of the video to find out how to enter. And without any further ado, let's unbox this beautiful PR package. All right, let's get in here. I always love how beautifully these are packed. Like, look at all of that tissue. So the first thing we're seeing here are the two magnetic mirrors. I love how beautifully these are wrapped as usual. And then here, as you can see, we have all of the brand new single shades. A lot of these are, I believe, from the Blood Money palette. I love that the brand is doing singles now. We're going to dive into those in a minute. So I'm going to unbox this mini magnetic palette for you guys. Like I mentioned at the beginning, it is the same one that was in the mystery boxes, the summer mystery boxes this year. I love the outer packaging on these. So pretty. So pretty. And I'm just going to open this up here. I love, you guys saw these earlier. They're really pretty, great quality. They're very light, but they're still nice. Now the big one, the one I'm most excited about because I have so many singles that I want to put in together. And of course they only fit in here. So this is just like the other packaging. So pretty. I love this little mosaic moment. And it is so beautiful on the outside. Let's open it up. We have a mirror, which I absolutely love. And it's super roomy, pretty light, but not too light that it feels cheap. Super nice. And now let's go through some of these singles. I really like the colors he put out this time around. I think they're super beautiful. I do think Blood Money has some of my favorite greens I've ever used in my life. I love so many of the shades. I love now that we can play around with the different singles and put together our own palettes. Do you know what I mean? Like, you don't necessarily want each and every single shade that is part of a palette. So the fact that we can kind of customize our own now is freaking amazing. I was actually thinking for this giveaway to do an entire little mini palette that I'm going to surprise you guys with, like pick really cool shades. I wanted to pick out specific shades and make a custom palette for you. Would that be something you'd want to see with this giveaway, or should I just stick with the LED mirror? Definitely pause this video right now and let me know. Now we're moving on to the beautiful LED mirror. I am so excited about this, guys. I love that the brand is branching out and doing totally new stuff. And of course, as usual, it's very nicely wrapped, and we're just gonna get right into it here. And voila. Of course, lots of foam insert wrapping there just to make sure nothing happens to the product, which I love. Then there's a little instruction manual here for you to keep just to know all the different functions of the mirror. And then it comes as two separate pieces. As you can see here, the mirror does have a little wrapping on it, which I very satisfyingly peeled off after. And you'll see here, the stand is in the second part. Of course, more foam, amazing. And it comes with a charger as well as the wire for the charger. Then the stand. So I was a little bit worried about this. I'm like, oh God, I hate putting together things. Honest to goodness, easiest thing, you're gonna see it right now. You literally just pop it up like that. That little circle metallic thing, it's magnetic. So it's just gonna pop right into that mirror for you. That's me trying to figure out which way to go because I'm a little bit not too bright. And bam, look at that. On so easily. It's very sturdy, So beautiful. All right, now a little bit about the product. Feel free to pause here, but I am going to read through these points. Touch sensitive light dimmer switch to provide multiple brightness level settings. 360-degree magnetic ball joint that allows a variety of positioning and detaches for storage and travel ease. I have to say this is one of my favorite aspects of the mirror. Then we have a built-in QI wireless charging pad compatible with QI enabled devices. Then we have a 5x magnification mirror that attaches magnetically to the Jeffree Star Cosmetics LED rechargeable star stand mirror. And so it's also stating that the wireless charging only works for certain phones, and we will get into that in just a minute. I absolutely love the video they put together for their promo. It was so freaking cool. Camilla always slays it. This mirror, guys, I thought it was gonna feel a little cheaper in my hands. It really doesn't feel cheap. It is super high end. I was very, very impressed. I was a little bit shocked at that price tag at first, but now after seeing it in person, it totally makes sense to me. Definitely, if you're interested in this mirror, I would say go for it. So this is me kind of fiddle-diddling with the mirror, seeing how I like it, and I'm just falling in love. I love that swivel thing. I've said it once, I'll say it again. I love the swivel thing because you never know what angle you're gonna need. And I was just playing with the dimmer there. Of course, there's that 3-set setting, which is awesome. And I can't stop touching it because I'm like a cat and I like shiny things. And the charger. So mine didn't actually charge because I have a pop socket on my phone, which obviously it needs to be touching the phone to be able to charge. But I will play around with that. And if you guys are curious, definitely hit me up and I'll let you know about the charging feature. As you can see here, the charger is super duper easy to use. You just pop it in and you just literally stick it in the back. It came fully charged. I always love when things come charged. And just a little demo of my favorite feature of the mirror, the way that little magnifier pops out of the back and then it just sticks on magnetically to the front of the mirror. This is so freaking helpful for those makeup junkies that do their makeup all the time. We know how important it is to really get right in there, and you can really achieve that with this product. I love this new mirror, guys. What are your thoughts on the mirror? Did you pick it up? Definitely let me know in the comments. All right, guys, that was pretty much it for the unboxing. Now, how to enter my giveaway. We're gonna keep this one short and sweet. I'm gonna announce the giveaway winner in about 2 weeks, so you're definitely gonna wanna hop into this one, get right on it, and enter. So, what you have to do, make sure that you like this video. Leave me a comment on this video. In the comment, include your Instagram handle. I always message the winner of my giveaways on Instagram, so you're gonna wanna make sure you're following there and also include that name. Do not forget. Then you're gonna give this video a like. And finally, you're gonna make sure you're subscribed. It always, always helps me out so much when you guys subscribe. Of course, following me on every other social platform truly does help your chances of winning. I just recently started diving into TikTok. I'm freaking obsessed. Definitely, guys, follow me on everywhere you can, and you could have a chance of winning this beautiful mirror for yourself. And yeah, guys, thank you so, so much for watching. Please give this video a like, leave me a comment down below, and if you haven't yet, please make sure you're subscribed. It really helps me out when you guys subscribe, and I will catch you on the next video. Bye, guys!